What's going on, guys?
Don't do that. Just hold the eggs.
How did they want to TikTok girl? Oh! What's going on, guys? Jay from Sammy's here. Back again. I know you thought I was done, but I got plenty more videos to come with this guy. Today we're doing avocados. I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks on how to perfectly slice these avocados for good presentation. A couple things to know about avocados when they're ripe is their texture, if they're smooth, if they have a little bit of give, and last thing, you can pull the pit out and check the color to see if it's green. A few tools you need when slicing the avocado. You need a really sharp knife. Here I'm using a chef's knife. You need a spoon that's as flat as possible. That way you can save as much of the avocado as you can when you're peeling it. And of course your avocado. Before you start, avocados are a bit sticky, so you want to wet your knife. This is like getting a hot knife through butter. If you're only going to use half, please save the half with the pit. The properties of the pit is to keep the avocado green, so if you put it back in the fridge, wrap it up in some plastic wrap, it should be fine. If you also want to extend it a little bit further, you can put some lemon juice on it, that will also keep it green. When taking out the pit, you want to stab it and twist it and then pull. When you're cutting the avocado, you want to place a finger on the knife to steady the knife. I prefer my thumb, and then I also use my index fingers when the avocado wants to come up with the knife because it gets stuck to the knife, and slice it as thin as possible. When you're cutting the avocado, you want to slice it on an angle, that way they fall like dominoes when you spread them later. Re-wet your knife before you start cutting. When flattening the avocado for presentation, you don't want to just push down or the dome where the pit was will collapse and it won't look pretty. You want to gently push and flatten at the same time, and the same thing backwards. And you have a perfect avocado slice.